Hello friends, now this is the activity a hydraulic robot arm which is made for science exhibition. So let's see how it works and how it's This is the activity which is made by using the injection and the Pascal's law. By using this, the material used is cardboard, injections, wire, toothpick, feviquick, and the color water and injection. This activity takes too much time to make, but if you make it, it is the another level pleasure which you get by working it. It feel like the JCB which you use in the daily life for construction. So let's see how it works. So for that I have taken a can and I have bent it to take the holder to hold it properly and to lift up and put it another place. So let's see how it works. So first I have to control it. First I move the upper hand, then by using the green water I just give it some forward look, and then by after using the yellow I accidentally drop, and then I was kept and take it up. When I take it, when I was about to take it, the when I placed the pistol and the injection just to keep up the can, I left it up by the blue injection, and then I move it at another place by using the blue color injection. Then I lift it up as you can see. Then I have changed its place by inserting the another blue pistol. Then it moved quickly, and then I just moved down the green color water. Then I kept down at the ground surface. This is a very fun activity to do. You can also do in your home. It takes too much time, but if you made it, it is fun to play with this. And this is also innovative and creating. I also left the and moved at the original place. If once you have done it, so please mention the and how do you like the activity or not.